The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is continued part by World Sports Betting. It is times ZA's Richards Bay 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0 in the Betway Premiership. At the beginning of the game, it was position number 12, Richards Bay, against position number 4, Kaizer Chiefs, or number 5, Kaizer Chiefs. As it stands, it's number 9, Richards Bay, and number 5, Kaizer Chiefs. So there was a point as we were watching this game where it didn't seem like there's a team that's number 12, or it didn't seem like Richards Bay was a team that's number 12. They thoroughly deserve it. Towards the end of the game, Abu Kumete, there's so many players who missed 1v1 chances. Knox Mutizwa, it could have been 3-0 at least to Richards Bay. Kaizer Chiefs finished the game with 10 men down. Unganyiso Shinga was injured, and Chiefs had finished their substitution or their substitution interval. So well done to Jomo Sibia. Richards Bay were dancing there. Felt like a cup final for them. Well done to the team as well. Papi Zotwane on the bench, Ronnie Gabriel on the bench, Siboniso Komede as well on the bench. Everyone there. Congratulations for the 3 points. Bobzit, what did you make of the game, sir?
Mr. Nkewu, ngibulise madoda.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir. Yeah, Mr. Nkewu, I think igame bengenye indlela man. Yazi uma ungabheka to ebidlala ngakhona, ngiyacabanga ukuthi iRichards Bay ayizange ihloniphe Kaizer Chiefs. Uma ungabheka the first whistle uma baqala, babonise something ukuthi badlala ekhaya, and uma ungabheka iKaizer Chiefs the way bedlala ngakhona kwangathi i-team encane, ngathi bekudlala iRichards Bay mhlawumbe ne-team efana nabo Orbit College, the way bengakhona igame. So iKaizer Chiefs, ngizocala ngeChiefs, Mr. Nkewu, I think kunenye into ngokubatshela abantu ngithi ita zodwa zilala ibhola. So uma ufuna igame, i-team yakho kumele ibe balance. Kaizer Chiefs number 1, ngiya-understand ukuthi bayenza ama-changes mhlawumbe ngama-suspension nama-injuries kuleya line-up yabo, but uku-rotate i-team akusi-easy ukuthi noma ngabe yiphi i-team nga-rotate bese ithola ama-results. It's difficult to rotate a team because the chemistry your team iyalahleka, and also i-fitness kubadlali iyabashaya. If you can check kuleya team ye-Kaizer Chiefs, kule line-up ababuya kuyo, only 5 players ababuya kuyodlala ku-Orlando Pirates. Uvuma ku-defense yonke only McKeith ayi-1 kulaba badlali. Ku-midfield umabuye ayedwa odlale kuleya. Then ngikhani uzoletha uChislett nomdlalo ofana noSilva up front. Yibo abadlali engathi baqale kuleya game Orlando Pirates.
Yeah. Besides suspensions, Bob, sorry to cut you.
Yeah.
There's this talk, of course, Junior, former professional player, so former professional player. I think they suspect that there was going to be punishment for the embarrassing loss. So and Junior know what they know about professional football. If Ushayi Paris 3-0, then there will be changes. It's like punishment to the players who played in that game. Besides the suspensions and the injuries, Gubo Miguel, do you believe that as well, Uguti? There was this level of you ashamed us against the Pirates, therefore you won't play in this game. That's why it's Bonabo Serino Bangana.
Yeah, I think Mr. Nkewu ingenzeka into efana naleyo, but ukubaluleka kwalama point swadinga kanganani si team, because yes, we can punish the players, but yini esikufunayo, because ungabapunisha abadlali ukuthi baceda uyoluza ngalendlela abaluze ngakhona ku-Orlando Pirates, but at the end of the day uyadinga le 3 points. Even though sibona i-TS Galaxy ikunumber 8, umehluko uthi 4 point, badlala amagame amaningi 20, Chiefs idlala amagame awu-18, but i-league uma ikanje ku-second round, Mr. Nkewu, sometimes kumele ubheke ukuthi yini oyifunayo, so ukwazi ukuba comfortable nawe kuleya position. So mina ngicabanga ukuthi kuyilimaze kakhulu, Mr. Nkewu, ukwenza lawa ama-changes, even though singazi behind the scene ukuthi kwenzakalani, but ama-changes, i-balance ye-team beyingekho right, especially emuva uma ungabheka. The 2 center left, sina 3 ama-left back emuva. Akekho umuntu okhava uSolomon odlala ngo-right, and it was difficult ila khona uGumede bekabahlupa khona lo yamdlali, because bekufika la ubone ukuthi uMcKeith uyastrugglisha kulela right, kulela side la ka right. So ngicabanga ukuthi kungabe ibalance kwale defense eKaizer Chiefs kuyilimaze kakhulu, because asinayo i-center right esikwaziyo ukuthi izokwazi ukukhava uSolomon, and uma ungathi uyabheka i-Chiefs ifuna ukusebenzisa le side la ka Solomon uma ngabe bafuna ukujoyina ku-attack, while uShinga uyu umuntu ongakhuphuki ngoba ivaliwe side ngovele by uhlezi uselayinini, and ubheka umdlalo ofana no ubani le out le ebiya eOrkant uChislett
Ethan Chislett, yeah, he's
uyabona,
also playing that side.
uma uvela kulela side
Yeah.
and uma uvela kulela side he allows uSirino to go and operate kulesa space, so it was difficult for bona because uma ungabheka boTlakusane nabo Zikhali bebavala lawo ma space ukuthi uSirino akwazi ukuoperate uma ngabe afuna ukusebenzisa lesa space esishiya uChislett, because kungafunction kwakaMabuye kwenza kwangathi yonke le midfield ayisebenzi, because ubonile uMabuye ukuthi bebangamnikeza ichance abadlali be Richards Bay ukuthi uMabuye kungaba nguye umuntu azafuna ukuseculate lela ball, bebavala wonke lama space and bafuna ukwenza ukuthi kube ne second man. Uma ngabe ufuna ukuphasa ibhola bazi ukuthi uma ngabe ngiyakupress kuba ne second man sikwazi ukuthi lama second balls yawawina. So mina ngicabanga ukuthi iChiefs njengoba ngisho ukuthi ayizange bebalance, bheka le midfield yabo njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi umdlalo ufana no uVelebhayi uma ujoin ulivalile line lakabani lakashinga bafuna ukukhuphuka ngoSolomon. uSolomon masebenzisa lesa space yila uGumede kumele operate khona kusena cover because abana center right. So bekuyoba nzima because namasapa abayenzile Mr Nkewu ubheke uma kubuya uLilepo uyabuya uLilepo uqala udlala lapha ku right, uma uyaqala udlala lapha ku right uvala lela line also leli iChiefs bengicabanga ukuthi uSolomon uzofuna sekukose ukuthi uSolomon angene phakathi manje because uLilepo ulivalile la side and uSilva sometimes uyaphuma ku target because akayitholi ibhola akana supply, bekazohlala lapha until when sometimes uyambona uranela kuma spaces la khona angekho sure because abumtunga bawakhavile lawo ma space. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs Mr Nkewu besingadlala mhlawumbe basinikeza another 45 minutes or 90 minutes. I don't think iKaizer Chiefs beyingascora because beka ugoalkeeper uIan we Richards Bay beka semall no shot on target. Ungabheka iRichards Bay iattempte kayi12 but I think ina 8 yama shot on target. You understand? So kusho kona ukuthi Chiefs ku attack benganako into abayizamile ukuyenza ama box entries but decision making ngwabonile ama box entries la khona bo Silva bafuna ukujoina khona abo Velebhayi bafuna ukujoina lapha kulama box entries but abazange babe ne end product uma bafika kulama because it defense Richards Bay be solid Mr Nkewu. They played as a team Richards Bay uma ungayibheka. So the way ngibone ba organize ngakhona abadlali be Richards Bay abazange badlale ngama department badlale njenge team because when they defend ubheka uSikhakhane ubheke uZulu bese kuba nomcineka ba solid nomtunga ngale ka left bonke ba solid ubheke ama Jewels awawinile uSikhakhane la khona iChiefs beyithi zama kusebenzisa la side
it easier against uVelebhayi
beka wina yonke into and bakhave ubani bakhava uTlakusane Mthetho uyabuya uzovala le space lesi ngicabanga ukuthi iChiefs beyithi ufuna ukusebenzisa abazange ba function because be solid iRichards Bay la ine like iKaizer Chiefs ingatholanga i-heavy score cishe ibuya na kule game efana neOrlando Pirates. Ba allow opponent ukuthi create ama scoring opportunity. Unfortunately abazange babe bahle abadlali be Richards Bay uma bafika ku final third but beba nama chances. Ungabheka ungema uyitholile chance ukuthi angaphanisha uNox Mutizwa uyitholile chance ukuthi angaphanisha naye uGumede first half ubone angana end product right la khona i-decision making beyimshaya kulela side even though bekamhlupha kume case but i-decision making beyimshaya. Second half yila babuye khona ubona ukuthi now bamnikeza umsebenzi manje uBryce Vuma. I think udlale kahle kakhulu uBryce Vuma, angeke ngiuvala umlomo ukuthi wenze kahle ama save awayenzile. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyimeli iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi inga concede ngamagoli amaningi because simbonile na first half lama shot on target bebawathatha amajita we Richards Bay uzamile ukuthi ayenza ama save uVuma nale save ayishaya second half uyabona ukuthi I save enhle kakhulu bebangalivalela phakathi.
It's a brilliant save. Nox Mutizwa can do better there. Nox Mutizwa can do better. There's so many opportunities in that one moment. Nox Mutizwa bamkeeper 1v1 and he fails to go around the goalkeeper. I suppose you give it to Bryce Vuma as well. Let's go to the elephant in the room. The fans are not happy. Chiefs have lost 5 matches in the last 6 games in total. Nedbank Cup out, Confederations Cup out, 3 consecutive losses in the Betway Premiership. It's 5 in total in the past 6 matches. What happens to those coaches?
I think it's difficult, yes. Uma ungabheka ama results abatholayo manje especially la kucala khona second round kuba nzima for iKaizer Chiefs. And lento ikabili Mr Nkewu. Uyabakhipha abo coach onabo manje i-team end up ayiphuma ku top 8 I mean uma bagcina kule team i-team ingangeni top 8 uthi uyabahambisa uyoletha ubani. So I think it's difficult because the technical team elapha ayinayo mhlawumbe coach engathi wala eMzansi kule technical team ongathi ithi ngimnikeze i-chance since ngisengakatholi head coach
because Vela Khumalo and Dylan Shepherd at the DDC. I think that's I'm not saying that's the right call.
Yeah.
I'm saying if they were looking anywhere without going outside because it's too late for someone outside, you go to the DDC.
Mr. Nkewu lamanzi ngiyacabanga uma achithekile ngiyacabanga babanikeze i-chance just that kube khona mhlawumbe nabantu abazoba advice especially kulama lineup uma ngabe kuyakhonakala ukuthi baba advice because at the end of the day ukhumbule ukuthi akusibo head coach ama co-coaches lawa bangama interim coaches ku Chiefs ba advisable uma ngabe mhlawumbe kukhona esimbonayo ku technical kuma director khona ukuthi they can come and assist mhlawumbe ukuthi bababonise kumele bababonise at the end of the day because now if bazobayeka kade bangakhona bayigcina bakhipha i-Chiefs ku top 8 and sifuna ukusebenza thina Mr. Nkewu i-Chiefs mangekho ku top 8 kumele i-Chiefs ibe khona Pirates Mamelodi Sundowns sikwazi ukusebenza lama big team abekhona sibukele ibhola sikwazi njengoba sibathandi bebhola so but uma ngabe mhlambe badinga ama advice abawathola ama advice kulaba abaphethe mhlambe ukuthi no yini into abangayenza because bona manje lama loss akhona agcina ahluthukisa abalandeli and akusinto right ukuthi abalandeli bagcine sebabone ngathi ayikho into abayihlalele because bazama uku-exchange ukuletha abadlali last week besikhala ukuthi why bangalethi uGustin Serena but umletha nabadlali bonke bashawa i-fitness it's difficult and ubaqalisa nemesh so sometimes kunabadlali kumele ba-introduce mhlambe ngalawo ma-15 20 minutes or leyo 30 minutes but uma baletha bonke ngesikhathi esi-1 Mr. Nkewu kuba nzima for bona ukuthi bangakunikeza ama-results.
In your opinion, to summarize it, you think Chiefs have a decision to make with those assistant coaches?
I think so because kushoda ngithandi ibhola lasemzansi uma ngizothi abachubeke benza the way maybe ababanikeza ama advice Mr. Nkewu abathola abantu abazobanikeza ama advice
uma ngabe in other words if they continue you have to influence their starting lineup.
Yeah, I think so Mr. Nkewu because
whether they like it or not, influence who they play and so on and the tactics as well.
Yeah, I think so ukuthi badinga assistant because isikhathi sesihambile Mr. Nkewu uma ngabheka i-Chiefs isale ama games awu 12 so those 12 games it's a win and lose. It might happen to ukuthi Chiefs yaphuma ku top 8 but izoba nenhlanhla because ama team amaningi aluza lapha and basadlala nangaphenza so I don't think Chiefs ingaphuma ku top 8 uma ngabe bazoba advisable bakwazi ukuba assista abaceceshi beKaizer Chiefs.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much Bobsit. Lovely conversation. Yeah, much to ponder for Kaizer Chiefs and their fans. We've seen it in the past and I think maybe by mentioning it I might be spiking something but I'm trying to highlight something that we've seen it in the past that when Chiefs is not going well, we've seen it under Coach Molefe, Coach Arthur Zwane, and as I just mentioned now, if the fans are unhappy, we might start to see things inside that stadium. So that's something for the management to ponder as well. It's not going to be nice when the fans are fed up. It's 4 matches in a row lost, 5 matches lost in 6 games. It is TV, it is Times, what's betting.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.